Hi Techies. Now, the same way we have been able to publish our work from our laptop to GitHub, we want to do another demo where we pull another work from GitHub down to our repository. I hope you follow that. Somebody else somewhere has added a file or a folder or made a change on the same folder I published initially. Now, I want that change to reflect on the document, the file that I have on my laptop, my local laptop. So let's quickly go through that step. We call it pull. You want to pull something from online. You want to pull something from remote repository. So we are going to start that with going to our GitHub. So we are on our GitHub. We are inside that same folder, Git demo. And we can see the main.html. That's the file, isn't it? Yes. So we click on the file. We are the one that wants to make changes. So we go to edit this file. So we go to edit this file and we make the change. So let's say this is the first change. This is the first change online from GitHub. Okay, so commit is the same thing as save. You want to save your work. We have made a change online now. We want to save the change, commit the change. So save the change. So the commit message now, always remember, you want to save it, you want to commit, make sure you put a message. Now, we want to make a pull request. Make a pull request. So that will be the name of the message for this commit. Now, commit directly to the master branch. Yes, the same branch, the same file. We don't want anything to change. Or create a new branch for this commit and start a pull request. No, we don't want to create a new branch. You can create a new branch if you want the code, that set of codes, to be separate from the main document. It's just document, either .html, either .py, either whatever documents you are using is just the documents that you want to save. So we have added a message. We have checked that it's on the same master branch, and we have seen that we don't want it to be on another branch. So commit change. So we have saved this work now on the remote platform, that is on our GitHub. This document is not the same document that we have on our VS Code anymore, on our laptop anymore. So in order for the change to reflect on the documents that we have on our laptop, we have to pull the change from online to our local desktop. So that's the work that we want to do now. So how do we do that? In order to allow the change to reflect on the documents that we have on our VS Code, on our local laptop, we have to make a pull request. We want to pull it from GitHub. Now, what are the steps in doing that? Ensure that the first step is to ensure that you are still on the master. I'm still on the source control here, over here, and I'm on the master. Can you see? I'm on the master branch. I press that master branch and it's saying I should do something. I'm not interested. I just want to show you that always check here so that you know you are on the master branch, the same branch, in case you have multiple branches. Now, I want to pull. The first way and easy way that most people do is just to refresh this. You see this arrow, the one is going, one is coming back, to synchronize changes. Can you see that? If I press it, it will say this action will pull and push commit from and to origin master. I'll say okay. Let's cancel for now. The second place where you can do it is to synchronize from here. Can you see? In front of the Git demo folder. So let's cancel that as well. The third place where you can do it is to come here to the menu bar beside that folder and click on the pull request. automatically. Can you see? It's a miracle. This is the first change online from GitHub. It's already reflecting, so we have pulled that change. So those are the different places where you can do the same action, really. Now, we have successfully pulled our file updated version from GitHub to our file updated version now on our local laptop. Yay! So I'm sure this will be helpful for so many people that have been looking into how they are going to be able to use GitHub to save their work or to be able to work with others from all over the world. So that's pull request that we just did. So let's see you demonstrate the same thing, and if there's any concern, if there's any difficulty, if you have any struggle, let us know in the comment section and probably we'll be able to guide you.